Anyway, but check out this beautiful classic right here, man. Absolutely awesome. Another beautiful C7 Z06. Check that one out right there. Super nice. This is also, I showed you guys this last time at the Lone Star Corvette Classic. That thing was ridiculous. Check it out. Probably one of my absolute favorite Z06s out there. I mean, just look at this. What's up, Carlos? I just told everybody I need to go follow you because I joke around. I am not smart. You, on the other hand, you are smart.
I just work a ridiculous amount. That's what I do.
I work 12 hours a day and I'm not as smart as you, so it's impressive. But you physically do all kinds of impressive work on your car. It's insane.
I try to.
You're amazing. But check it out. Got the Eventuri air intake like I've got mine, man. And look at all that carbon fiber in there. Absolutely crazy. But man, oh man, some nice cars. So we're gonna wrap this up. Oh, nice yellow, Accelerate yellow with the Lambo doors, Arctic white. These are the ones that oh, nice, it's a Z06 as well. These are the ones that I like to see. I want to come to the shows and I want to see crazy looking cars just because, you know, you can get too much, it can get mundane if everybody has a red or a yellow or a silver Corvette that's just plain, haven't done nothing to it. I like to see the crazy colors, you know, I like to see the crazy doors. Things that I probably wouldn't do to my car, but that's what makes it fun. If I was gonna do it to mine, I would just do it and then I'd see it every day and it'd be boring. But check it out, beautiful red Z06. Love these wheels. Very reminiscent of the new Seat. How you doing? Good, good to see you.
Your dad's gonna be here today?
All right, guys, so we've got the kings and queens rolling in right here. Have a good one. Super excited for these guys. Always show up. Nice Z06. Check it out, you know, I like my stripes, carbon fiber. What's going on, man? How you doing? Phenomenal. Nice. I think it's silver flare, blaze silver. I don't know. You let me know down in the comments, but check it out. What a beautiful Grand Sport. Absolutely love the Grand Sport. Check out this Z06, man. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that sound. That sound. Check it out. We got a lady driving. Hypersonic gray, convertible. Gotta love it. The Batmobile. Holy cow, look at this. This is the Kings and Queens pulling in, man. By the way, the Kings and Queens have a car show coming up in June, and I will have, what's going on? I will have all of the information for them. Oh, one of my favorite people right here. This lady is fantastic. Such a nice, nice, nice lady.
How you doing, God bless you. Take this first.
Good morning, how are you? Good to see you. She is awesome. But anyway, the Kings and Queens have their annual picnic coming up and car show. I'll leave the information down in the description. You guys need to come out and see it.
Follow me, Cheryl.
Lots of great car shows in Texas coming up. Obviously, Corvette Invasion in July, the Kings and Queens in June. We went to theirs last year. It was huge. It was a lot of fun. Another beautiful car. What's up? How are you? What's going on? So, another beautiful Arctic White Grand Sport Heritage Edition. Very nice. Love the colors on there. Long Beach Red Stingray, Torch Red Stingray. There's still a bunch of them coming. Love it, Arctic White. I love these wheels. Check out those wheels, man. I really, really like those. Very nice orange. Beautiful Stingray right here. See, you got the red. Look at it in the barrels, man. That is, what's up? Phenomenal. Another hypersonic gray. How you doing? Beautiful crystal red C5. Got that door molding. I prefer it. I know some people, I know Street Speed took his off on when he had his one time, but I don't understand that. Another beautiful torch red. Got a nice Mustang. Mustang Vette, it's okay. It's a trans Mustang. It identifies as a Corvette. Beautiful though. I bet you that thing is a freaking beast. I actually really like it a lot. Dang, man. And the sound, I will say Mustangs have a really, really nice sound, man. And there's Kevin right here. Kevin from the Kings and Queens. Check out those wheels. Holy cow, more down there. I told you we were gonna pop out 300. Thank God we have T here, man. T is invaluable. T is one of our best freaking friends, man. His wife just beat cancer. The last time we did one here, his wife had just found out she had cancer. She has now beat it. We are so excited and so happy for her. So happy for T, his whole family, man. That is huge. Check it out. We're gonna walk down here, get the last few of these, and then I'm gonna cut it for a minute. This video is gonna get kind of long and long and long and long. But man, another really nice red Grand Sport. Very nice. I love the wheels here, man. I think Forge Light also has some wheels just like these. And these are Stance, I believe? Yeah, I think these are Stance wheels, but man, that's a really good looking C8. We're gonna cut until that next group starts coming in. But check it out. It's just now a little after 10. I can't tell exactly what time it is because I'm on my phone, but check it. Look at that, look at that. That is insane. Texas Harley in Bedford, Texas. They have a huge selection of Harleys. You really need to stop by if you like Harleys. This place is awesome. Carlos got the drone up. Good old Carlos. New Horizon, once again, go follow him. C8 New Horizon on YouTube. Gonna grab these last couple and then I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna take some video and some photos, but check it out. Long Beach Red. What's going on, man? How you doing? So that looks to be stock, sound stock. Yeah. Sebring Orange, beautiful Grand Sport. But check it out, man. Look at this. Crazy, crazy. Got a few more Vettes rolling in right now. I told you. Oh, that's one of my other neighbors right there. Brian Caldwell. What's up, Brian? Got some more rolling in, another collector edition. Got another red C4 right here. Man, oh man. But let's go up there and get some video footage. So we're gonna walk back down here because I wanted to show you. So my friend Fred, guy right here in the blue and the black, this is his new C8 right here, looking so fire, man. Love it. I loved the 7, but I gotta be honest with you, I like this, man. The CMG, oh my gosh, I love this color. And he's got the GT2 seats on here, got the high wing, yep, that's the way I would be doing it. I love this color though, so nice. But yeah, man, look, we're not gonna go and get all these cars, but my goodness, so freaking many cars. Oh, by the way, this guy was telling me right here, that car is like 1,000 to the wheels. I'm like, that sounds like a death trap for me, man. But check it out. I just want you guys to see what is going on here. If you're in the DFW area, you guys need to make it out to one of our events. I know I keep saying this, but I love big car shows, whether they're mine or somebody else's. Man, if you guys get the chance, make sure you sign up for Corvette Invasion in July. And next month, here in Dallas, sign up for the Kings and Queens car show and picnic. I will leave information, again, down in the description. I'm gonna go head up, and I'm gonna get the what's going on up right on the front where I ended up bringing the C8 today. I was supposed to bring my 7 and 8, but some things prevented me from being able to get the 7 with my wife driving it. So anyway, let's go up there and then we're gonna wrap this video up. All right, so you guys probably can't hear this, but right there, the Vette DFW Corvette Specialist, the VetteDFW.com. So this is Sonny's C2. So this thing is being fully restored by him, and man, oh man, he's freaking killing it. Looks really good. Got the side pipes, man. Check it out. And of course, you got me here today. So anyway, got the new Forge Light wheels, all the carbon fiber.
beautiful Corvettes out there. We always
So we had about 200 and something Corvettes, and all of a sudden, I think we were at 215, 216, and now a whole another slew of Corvettes pulling in. And it's still early in the day. Look at this. They just keep coming. Well, and then we even got some parked out on the outside. What's going on, man? So, heck, there's some parked over there, right here. Got them out in the street now as well. Holy cow, man. It's freaking nuts. All right, guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up right now. I'm gonna be playing music over it because it's really loud with music. So we're gonna go and just play some music over, but I wanna do a quick walkthrough here at Texas Harley so you guys can see all the Harleys they have, and they have tons of merch. So if you need some Harley merch, definitely reach out to Texas Harley in Bedford. But let's check out all the bikes.